Written statement. So the pleadings include the written statement, and the written statement is pleading on behalf of the defendant, wherein he gives his defense or reply to the allegations that are made by the plaintiff. A written statement is a pleading, therefore, and should conform to rules of pleading. So, written statement shall be presented within 30 days from the service of summons, maximum 90, and it may also state any new facts in favor of defendant or take legal objection against the claim of the plaintiff. It's the duty of defendant to produce documents upon which relief is claimed or really relied upon by him. The defendant must raise by his pleading all matters which show the suit not be maintainable, or that the transaction is either void or voidable in point of law. Now, the contents that are under the written statement. First, new facts are there. So, in new facts, the must be specially pleaded, and the defendant must raise by his pleading all matters which a show the suit not be maintainable, b show that transaction is either void or voidable in point of view, c and all such grounds of defense as. Second content is denial. So denial to be specific. So whatever denial has been made in a written statement should be very specific. The defendant should not deny generally, but he must deal each allegation of fact to which he does not admit the truth. If is not so denied specifically, it shall be taken to be admitted. And third, the denial should not be evasive, it should answer the point of substance. Thank you, that's all.